Hey, good morning. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, the 13th of April, 2020. It is 4:19 a.m. local here in Da Nang, Vietnam. So this video is a quick look at the 12-hour high probability charts and what I've done in this morning, all Friday. And it has been the long weekend for most of the world. It celebrates Easter, so not much is happening on the charts, and that's reflected in this video. Basically, this is my watch list of all the 12-hour charts I'm trading. If it's highlighted in blue, it means there's open trades. If there's no highlight, it means there's no trades. And if there's orange, it means that's what I'm going to discuss in the video. So that's only the two pairs, and these were both from Friday. Basically, the Euro Yen's the first cab off the rank. You can read my notes up here, the trade I'm in. Basically took a buy in here. That's signified by the blue lines, the intersection of the blue lines. That's the entry level. If you see blue trend lines like this, just something that interests me. In this case, it was like a double, triple bottom, I suppose, or an area of support. These are my MAs: 50 EMA, 100 EMA, 240 LMA. This red dotted line is my stop. So basically what I did on Friday was closed half my trade and set my stop inside the entry level. So I took a little bit of a profit there. I think it was only about $11.26, which has been added to the total there. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet from Google Drive. If you've got access to that spreadsheet if you wish, the link to that is in the description of the video. So the buy was taken on this green QMP filtered dot, which is these red and green dots on the price chart. They're a combination of this MACD Platinum, which is this indicator here, and also a QQE Advanced, ADV, which doesn't have to be displayed on the chart, but it combines to form these dots on price here. These dots will only appear. Well, they're only confirmed once the candle's closed. Sometimes in TradingView they appear mid-candle, but once price moves a tick or whatever, they'll disappear. You don't take the trade until they open of the new candle when they are confirmed. So the reason I took the closed half was a couple of reasons. Initially, this was a high-risk trade into the MAs. Prices got up to the MAs, which is normally an indication that it could roll over, and also the MACD Platinum, the orangey red line. It's gone through the zero level or at the zero level, so it's time to reduce risk. So closed half, stop in place. So possible with the MACD Platinum, I'm looking to buy when it's below the zero level, which is this dotted line here, and sell when it's above the zero level. You can see if you look back in history here. So here's a sell signal up here. It's above the zero level. Here's a buy signal. There it is there. It's below the zero level. Again, above, it looks perfect there, doesn't it? But when you get into this dog's breakfast here, this is during the corona movements of the yen. All right, moving right along. Euro USD, same deal. It was I was in a sell up here, which I'm still in. So again, you can pause the video, read my notes, normally in chronological order, working from left to right, from top to bottom. So I sell at the red lines, and that's a stop for the sell just below there. So price has got up close to it. Closed half that sell already when the MACD Platinum went through the zero level, which was in this through the low areas here, which is a good result as it's turned up. I've then taken a buy because I've got a partial sell on, so I don't mind taking that buy, even though it's a higher risk buy. But the MACD Platinum wasn't that far below the zero level, and on Friday, the price again's got into MAs and through the zero level. So I've closed half, put a stop in place on the buy. So basically got a buy and a sell on. I'm hedged at the moment completely, locking in a small profit. Doesn't matter which way it goes, but eventually one of these stops will be taken out, and then the risk will be on the other trade, but there's no risk because that stops at break even also. So now there wasn't much room to move here, so that's why everything's tight now. So the closing that gave me a huge total of $7.36, and that's been added to the total. So that's it for the charts, guys. Not much happening. Again, as I said, it's Easter Monday. I know it's public holidays in Australia, New Zealand, probably the UK. Not sure about the US, but it's So it should be a fairly quiet day. Hope everyone's weekend went all right and everyone's getting through this coronavirus thing. It's getting a bit quiet here, a bit boring, but still we got some freedom, so you can't really complain. Thanks for watching. If you do like the video, please hit the subscribe button, or nothing else, hit the like button, and I will talk to you later. Cheers.